Continuing our medical coverage this Monday at 6, suicides among farmers are 1.5 times higher than the national average. That's according to the CDC. Color 10's Nigel McDonald is here tonight to explain why local agriculture experts say farmers face unique threats from stress. Nigel, what'd you learn?
Well, David, experts say farmers are under incredible financial, legal, and emotional stress. Bankruptcies, foreclosures, depression, and even suicide are some of the tragic consequences of these pressures.
You think, okay, today's a great day for putting out seed, and then something happens. A flood hits 2 weeks after you've put your seed out. It's those uncertainties that farmers live with every day that can really have a toll on their mental health.
Elizabeth Walker, a professor at Missouri State University, says agriculture is a unique industry that's largely influenced by factors that are beyond a farmer's control.
There's a lot of rules and regulations surrounding agriculture, both small agriculture and large agriculture.
According to the American Bureau Federation, 91% of farm workers think financial problems are impacting farmers' mental health.
We don't get to state the price of this is how much this is going to cost. Rather, we sell them at an auction or something like that when we're told how much they're going to get. Even though sometimes what we get for our product doesn't pay for all the costs associated with producing that product.
Walker says farmers might also feel a tremendous weight at the possible loss of their land.
Some of these farms, perhaps unlike some of the businesses, have been in their family for generations, and they feel if they're the ones that lose the farm, that's a huge amount of pressure.
Lacey Sukhavati, another professor at Missouri State University, says there tends to be a disconnect between consumers and farmers.
Equipment costs are pretty astounding to the average person. To say that $50,000 is a cheap tractor is, in most people's minds, they don't think about the level of costs that are associated.
Sukhavati says farmers can also be isolated since they tend to work alone.
I think that goes into some of the individuals that end up getting to that point, but their family members often don't realize.
Well, our local chapter of the Missouri Cattlemen's Association is hosting a farm safety event next Friday, September 27th. One of the topics is suicide among farmers and rural communities, and that event is open to everyone.